Hello, this is Jeff with Triple Peaks Roofing and Construction. We sure have had a lot of storms that have ripped through our area lately. I wanted to make sure that people were aware of their rights as far as what they can do when a storm causes damage to their roof, their siding, their gutters, or other things on their property when it comes to insurance. First thing that you want to do is if you've had a leak, contact your local roofing company. Find somebody that you trust, maybe that you've used in the past and they did good work for you. Give them a call and let them have a tarp crew come out and waterproof your home so that further damages don't occur before you can get it permanently fixed. Number two, then contact your insurance company. You could do this at the same time and let them know that you have damage and that you would want an adjuster to come out and look at the damage for you and give you an estimate on that damage. Typically what they're going to do at this point is send out an adjuster. These guys are certified guys that went through, or ladies that went through training and took a state test, some of which might be a third party, and some of them work for every insurance company out there, and they actually change their signs out before going out to your house. It shouldn't matter, though, which one you get because they're all supposed to be ethical. But just like any field out there, you have some bad apples and you have some really good apples. Hopefully you get the good apple. They should give you an adjustment summary of the damages and what they think it's worth. Often, though, this is going to be lower than the actual cost to repair back to the pre-loss condition from the local contractors. You can take that adjustment summary and give it to your contractor or have your contractor also meet the adjuster at your home. That way your adjuster and your contractor can look at the damages at the same time and both assess damages. Sometimes the adjuster might see something that the contractor didn't, and sometimes the contractor sees something that maybe the adjuster didn't. Working hand in hand will make things go a lot smoother. You can take their adjustment summary and either work off the scope from the insurance adjuster, and if it's not enough to get your project completed in a professional manner, there's a thing called supplements, and that's when things are missed on the scope of work from the initial adjuster and your contractor has found other things that need to be corrected on the home. He or she is going to turn in a supplement to your insurance company. It's really up to you, though, as the homeowner, to help your contractor get what is owed to you to bring your property back to pre-loss condition. You as a property owner will be liable for your deductible on the scope of work. Oftentimes, the insurance company deducts your deductible from the scope of work, but you still owe that deductible to your contractor to fix the damages that they will be fixing. Roofers, siders, general contractors, and contractors of any type are not allowed to eat a deductible. It is against the law. Now, I have yet to hear of anybody really being charged for this, but it's unethical. Do you really want a company that's unethical working on your home or fixing and repairing damages to your home? So these are just some of the small things that you can think about if you have damage at any point during any storm and leaked. You want to first get a tarp on your roof to lessen any damage to your property. Again, if you've had hail that damaged your property, you may not have that actually impact the integrity of the shingle for up to a year. But the damage is there from the storm and you want to get it covered as soon as possible. I'm Jeff with Triple Peaks Roofing and Construction, where I'm on more roofs than Santa Claus.